Have you ever wondered on how you could positively or negatively impact your life? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the 3 examples on how you can influence your brain, and make sure you stay to the end of this video where I talk about this last point, what everyone is doing and how it could affect their performance. So the first example is going to be that your brain is sensitive to dehydration. So our brain is made out of 80% water, so if your brain is dehydrated or has a loss of fluid by 2%, you're going to notice a lot of different symptoms, such as reduce in concentration, reduce in short-term memory, and also other cognitive abilities. So what you want to do is make sure you're properly hydrated throughout the whole time. For men, it's going to be 113 fluid ounces, and for women, it's going to be 63 fluid ounces. So that's the first example on how your brain is sensitive to dehydration. So the second example is going to be how prolonged stress can damage your brain. So when you're chronically stressed, there is going to be a decrease in memory, there's going to be a decrease in learning, and also there's going to be a decrease in self-control. And when you're chronically stressed, you're more irritable, you can't really concentrate, you get agitated really easily, you can maybe throw some tantrums around there, you're just really stressed out. So that's how stress could actually play an impact into our brain. And the last example is going to be how an abundance of sugar in our diet can worsen our memory and our ability to learn. So when we have too much fructose in our diet, it actually slows down the brain and also slows down our ability to be able to learn different things. So when we have a whole bunch of sugar, it actually also destroys our neural connections in our brain. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of these heavily processed sugars like found in our soft drinks, some sauces, and other really processed foods. And once you could get that out of your diet, then you'll be able to retain information better, you'll be able to learn better, and everything will just make a lot more sense. So those are the 3 ways on how you can positively or negatively impact your brain. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. And if you know any ways on how to better improve, or maybe things that actually lessen your performance for your brain, let me know in the comments box below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.